told you about closure property, commutative property, and next property associative law or associativity. Okay, so what is associative law of? In maths, you know, we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will apply this law for all these 4 operations. So let's start from addition. Suppose you have 3 rational numbers A, B and C. 3 rational numbers you have. For associative law, you need 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers you have. That's A, B and C. So if we are doing for addition this one, so what should be? A plus B plus C. A plus within bracket, B and C within bracket. It should be equals to A plus B. These two within bracket plus C. It should be like that for addition. If this one applicable, so here will be equal sign. If not applicable, so not equal sign. That's called associative law of addition for rational number. Associative law of addition for rational number. Let's check this one applicable or not. A equals to 1 by 2. B equals to 3 minus 3. Minus 3 I am taking. You know 1 by 2 is a rational number. Minus 3 also a rational number. And C equals to 2 upon 7. Okay, we have 3 rational number. So we will check first for this one and then for this one. So first we are checking A plus B plus C. B and C. First you have to take these two together, and in second expression or right hand side you have to take first and second rational number together. Here you are taking first and second together, here you are taking second and third together. So value of A is 1 by 2 plus within bracket B is minus 3. You know negative numbers. Minus 3 also a rational number. Plus C 2 upon 7 bracket close. Okay, let's calculate this one. So we will write 1 by 2 as it plus as it. You know that according to BODMAS rule we have to solve bracket portion first. So we will solve this one first. So this is minus 3. We can write minus 3 upon 1 plus 2 upon 7 bracket close. Okay. Then 1 by 2 plus within bracket. Now we have to find out LCM of 1 and 7. 1 and 7. LCM of 1 and 7. You know that is your method 1 1 ja and 7 ja. Then 7 1 1 here. So you have to multiply this. So 7 into 1 into 1. So how much? 7. Or directly you can do if you have 1 and any other number. So always greater number will be LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay. Then here we will do what is 1 and 7. So LCM will be 7. Minus 3 already you have. Minus 3 already you have. Into 7. LCM divided by denominator. 7 को 1 से divide करेंगे. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? You will get 7 here. Plus numerator is 2. This numerator is 2. And LCM divided by 7. 7 divided by 7. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1 bracket plus into minus, you know, minus 7 3 ja 21 plus 2 1 ja 2 bracket close. Then half as it you have plus. Now look, one is positive, one is negative. If you have different sign there, so you will subtract these two. So 21 minus 2, 19. You have to subtract just like normal way. 21 minus 2, 19. 19 upon 7. But look, this is negative, this is positive. So sign of greater number. So here will be minus sign. Okay. Then 1 upon 2. Now look, within bracket you have minus, outside you have plus. So bracket means multiply, plus into minus. It will be minus and 19 upon 7. Okay. Again we have to calculate this one. This is 7 and here you have 2. So what we will do? We will take LCM of 2 and 7. 2 and 7. One method like that you can do. 2 1 ja 2 and here 7. Then by 7 1 ja 1 ja. You will continue this one until you will not get 1. So 2 into 7 into 1. 2 into 7 into 1 equals to 14. And direct method, if you have co-prime number 2 and 7 are co-prime numbers, so you can directly multiply. You know co-prime means where common factor will be 1 only. So 2 7 2 ja 14 here, and already 1 you have 1 into 14 divided by denominator. LCM divided by denominator, so 7 here and minus sign as it. 19 into 14 divided by 7. LCM divided by denominator. So 14 divided by 7. So 14 you are dividing by 7. 7 2 ja 14. So 2 here. Okay. So 2 here. So what we will do? Equal to 14 we will write exactly at middle. 14. 7 ja 7 minus 19 2 ja 38. Okay. Now again, this is positive, this is negative. So what we will do? We will subtract both. 38 minus 7 we will do. Here 1 and here 3. You are getting 31. 31 you are getting upon 14. But look, this is negative, this is positive. Sign of greater number, so greater number here. So when you calculate a plus bracket b plus c bracket close, you are getting minus 31 upon 14. Okay. In case of, this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. जो दाहिने हाथ की साइड होगा, जो आपके राइट हैंड की साइड होगा, दैट्स राइट हैंड साइड. जो लेफ्ट की साइड होगा, दैट्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So when you calculate this one, you are getting 31 upon 14. Now check for this one. Now I am taking this portion, that is a plus b plus c and a and b within bracket. Now we will calculate right hand side. Let's check both side calculation coming equal or not. So a you have 1 by 2 bracket here plus b. B is minus 3, so within bracket we will write. So we have to use curl bracket here plus C. C is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Okay, so according to Bodmer's rule, So curly bracket here you can write 1 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 bracket close plus 2 by 7. Okay. Now bracket 1 by 2 minus look 3 whole number. So you can write 3 upon 1 bracket close plus 2 by 7. Okay. Now look bracket. Now you have 2 and 1. I told you when you have 1 and any number, so greater will be LCM. So 2 will be LCM. 1 as it 1 into this 2 divided by this 1. LCM divided by denominator. So you are getting 1 minus 3 you have 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 इस 2 को इस 1 से डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करेंगे and whatever you get multiply with numerator. So how much you are getting? 2 you are getting. So multiply with numerator plus 2 upon 7. Okay. Hope you are getting that all. After that bracket 2 here 1 into 1 1 minus 3 to the 6 bracket close plus 2 upon 7. Clear? Then equal to here how much? Minus 5. Look 6 minus 1 how much? 5. Sign of greater number. While we are doing subtraction here, this is positive, this is negative. So opposite sign subtracted. So 6 minus 1 5 and sign of greater number. So that's why minus here 2 here. Bracket start plus 2 by 7. Okay, then you have minus 5 upon 2 plus 2 upon 7. Again we will calculate this one. So 2 and 7 you have. We will take LCM of 2 and 7. So what will be LCM of 2 and 7? 7 to the 14. Both are co-prime numbers. So you can multiply directly or you can do this method also. 2 1 is 2 and 7 here, then by 7 1 and 1 here. Until you will continue this one until you will not get 1 7 to the 14 into 1 14. Okay. Then minus 5 you have into your LCM divided by denominator. Denominator is 2 and LCM is 14. 14 divided by 2. So what you will get? 7 plus 2. 2 already you have into and 14 divided by 7. So how much you will get? 2. LCM divided by this one and whatever you get you have to multiply with numerator. So this is minus into plus. Minus 7 5 is 35 and here both are plus. So plus into plus plus 2 to the 4 upon 14. One is positive, one is negative. So we will do subtraction. 35 minus 4 you will do and here 1 sign of greater number, here minus, here plus, so we will apply minus here. Answer will be minus 31 upon 14. This is for A plus B plus C equals to minus 31 upon 14. So you are looking when we done A plus within bracket B plus C, you are getting minus 31 upon 14. And when we taken A plus B together plus C, then also you are getting 30 minus 31 upon 14. So we can write A plus B, A plus bracket b plus c equals to within bracket a plus b plus c. So both are coming equal. It means associative law of addition. Here everywhere plus sign. We are looking everywhere plus sign. So associative law of addition. Associative law of addition applicable for rational numbers. Okay. If both come equal, then this one applicable. Otherwise, it is not applicable. Now let's check for subtraction. When you will do commutative law, then you have to take two rational number. When you will do associative law, you have to take three rational numbers. Okay, so we can say associative law of rational number for addition applicable. Now check same thing for subtraction. So earlier where we use plus sign, everywhere we will use minus sign there. For subtraction we have to use minus sign. So look, A, B and C, three rational number. So for associative law of subtraction we have to write A minus B minus C, like that. If this one applicable, so it will be equal, and if this one not applicable, so it will not equal here. So let's check what it should be, like that. A minus B and minus C. If this law applicable, so we will make equal sign here. If not applicable, so we will not equal sign here. Presently we are leaving this place as it. We are just checking that one. So A minus B minus C should be, if applicable, so A minus B within bracket, then minus C. Let A equals to 1, B equals to A equals to minus 1, B equals to 2 by 3 I am taking, and C equals to I am taking 1 by 4. Okay, C equals to I am taking 1 by 4. So you have to check for these three rational number A, B and C. Here let suppose A equals to minus 1, B equals to 2 by 3 and C equals to, first we will check this one, A minus B minus C. A minus within bracket B minus C. We have to check for this one. So what we will do? A is minus 1, then minus within bracket 2 by 3 minus, and here 1 by 4. C is 1 by 4. So minus 1 is it? Minus within bracket 3 and 4 are two prime numbers, so directly you will multiply 3 4 are 12, so LCM will be 12. 2 you have into 12 divided by 3, 4. Okay, minus 1 into LCM 12 divided by 4. 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो you will get 3. Okay. Now minus 1 is it? Minus within bracket you have 12. 4 to ja 8 minus 3 1 ja 3 within bracket. Getting? Equals to minus 1 minus within bracket here 12. 8 minus 3, how much? can if you apply rule here, so sign of greater number, so you are getting plus here. Okay, then you have minus 1 minus 5 upon 12. Now we have to calculate this one. Whenever bracket, so first you have to calculate bracket portion. Minus 1 you can write 1 upon 1, minus 1 upon 1, then minus 5 upon 12. Okay. So look, 1 and 12, so LCM will be 12. In case of 1 and any other number, greater number will be LCM. So 1 and 12. And here minus 1 into, okay, 12 divided by 1. So what you will get? 12. Then again minus sign you have 5 into this 12, LCM divided by denominator, so you will get 1. So here you are getting 12 as it, minus into plus, minus 12 and 12, minus into plus, minus 5 and 5. Both are negative, so we can add minus 12 and minus 5. Added, same sign added, दोनों का साइन एक साथ ऐड हो जाएंगे, 7 and 1 here and sign of minus. तो आपको मिला minus 17 upon 12. You are getting minus 17 upon 12. When you calculate this one, a minus b minus c, you are getting minus 17 upon 12. Okay, now we will check for this one. So look, a minus b within bracket minus c. So a equals to minus 1, b equals to, this is minus sign already here, and b is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus you have c is 1 by 4. So within bracket these two rational numbers we have. So first we will calculate these two rational numbers. Okay, so we can write minus 1 upon 1, minus 2 by 3, bracket close, minus 1 by 4. Okay, then first we solve this portion. So 1 and 3, LCM will be 3, minus 1 as it, into 3 divided by 1, so you will get 3, minus 2 as it, into 3 divided by 3, so you will get 1 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, now 3 as it, bracket start, plus into minus, minus 3 and 3, plus into minus, minus 2 and 2, within bracket minus 1 upon 4. Okay, minus, same sign, added, so 3 and 2, 5, sign of minus upon 3. And here you have minus 1 upon 4. Now we have to calculate this one. Minus 5 upon 4, minus 1 by 4. No, here 3, minus 5 by 3. So we will write minus 5 by 3 and second one is minus 1 by 4. So we will write minus 1 by 4. Okay, LCM of 3 and 4, you know, both are co-prime numbers. So 3 4 ja 12. Minus 5 as it, into 12 divided by 3. LCM divided by denominator. So how much? 4 here, minus 1. Again 12 divided by 4. So how much? Into 3. Okay. Then again we will write 12. This is negative, this is positive, plus into minus equals to minus. same sign added, 12. Okay, so A minus B minus C equals to, you are getting minus 23 upon 12. And in first case you are getting minus 17 upon 12. And here you are getting minus 23 upon 12. So can you say both are equal? No, these are not equal. So we can say A minus within bracket B minus C does not equal to, within bracket A minus B minus C. So for subtraction, associative law of subtraction, everywhere minus sign, associative law of subtraction not applicable for rational numbers. Okay, if both sides come equal, then applicable. If not come equal, then not applicable. Now we will check for multiplication. Next operation is multiply. So we will check for multiplication, this one. Okay, A into B into C equals to, it should be like that, A into B within bracket into C. If applicable, so we will make equal sign here. If not applicable, so we will make not equal sign here. I am leaving this place. So let's check for this one. A equals to 2, B equals to 1 by 2, and C equals to, I am taking 3 by 4 or minus 3 by 4. Okay. So look, first I am checking for this one, A into B into C. A separate, B into C together within bracket. So A is 2 into within bracket minus 1 upon 2 into this also negative. So we have to make all bracket minus 3 by 4. Okay. 2 outside within bracket, minus into minus, you know, plus. So you have 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Okay. Now this 2 outside exit into 3 when the 3 upon 4 to the 8. This one in numerator, this one in denominator, so you can cancel out. This one being 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So 3 into 1, 3 upon 4. That's for A into within bracket B into C. 3 by 4. Let's check for this one. A into B within bracket into C. What do you do in for associative law? You have 3 rational numbers. So first you have to take any 2 together. You can take this and this together, and in next one you have to take this and this together. How I taken here. Okay. Now we will check for this one. What is value of A? Value of A is 2 into value of B is minus 1 by 2. Okay. And within bracket this one, and C is minus 3 by 4. Getting? So look, within bracket, first we have to open this bracket. So here plus sign into minus sign. Plus into minus, you know, minus. We can write this one like that, 2 into 1 upon 2. Okay. into within bracket minus 3 by 4. So this 2 cancel out. What you have? Minus 1 within bracket this one into minus 3 by 4. Okay, this is negative and this one also negative. Minus into minus, you know, plus. No need to show plus sign. 1 into 3 by 4. 1 into 3 by 4. You can do like that. 3 1 ja 3 upon 4, or directly also if anything multiplied with 1 you will get 3 by 4. So you are getting value of this one 3 by 4. Look, in first case also we are getting 3 by 4. Here also we are getting 3 by 4. So we can say these are equal. A within bracket B into C equals to within bracket A into B into C. Equal coming. It means associative law of multiplication applicable. Associative law of multiplication applicable. You seen that applicable for addition but not applicable for subtraction. Now it is applicable for multiplication. Now let's check for division. When you have to do division, so everywhere in place of multiply we will put divide sign. Okay, so look, for multiplication we put here multiply. Now we are taking for division, so everywhere we will put divide sign, and the same value I am using. Same value I am using here for division. Okay, if A divided by B within bracket B divided by C, and here A divided by B within bracket divided by C. If both come equal, so we will make equal sign here. If not equal, so we will make not equal sign here. Let's check. First we will check for this one. A divided within bracket B divided by C. Okay, value of A 2, B equals to minus 1 by 2, and C I taken minus 3 by 4. So let's check. A is 2 divided by within bracket B is minus 1 upon 2 divided by minus 3 by 4, bracket close. Getting? Okay, so how we will calculate? First I am telling you this one how you will calculate. In 7th class you learned divide. Have you remembered? In 7th class you learned divide. So minus 1 by 2 as it. This sign will be changed into multiply, and we will take reciprocal of this one. 4 upon minus 3. Reciprocal of second one. First one remain as it. This one divide sign converted into multiply sign, and we will take reciprocal of this one. Okay. If you do like that, so it will be 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 by 4. So how we will write this one? Minus 1 upon 2. And this 3 already in numerator, so this one here and this 4 go upside. So first one remain as it, second one changed. Reciprocal of second one. Reciprocal you know, when we interchange numerator and denominator. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को आपस में बदलेंगे तो आपको रेसिप्रोकल मिलेगा. ओके, माइनस टू माइनस कैंसिल आउट. 2 2 जा here bracket close. So you have 2 divided by 2 1 ja 2 upon here we have 3. Okay. Now we will calculate this one. We can write this 2 upon 1 divided by 2 upon 3. So again we will do same. 2 by 1 as it. Sign changed. Divide. In place of divide we will put multiply. And reciprocal of second one. Second का reciprocal. First one we have to keep as it. 3 upon 2. So 2 cancel out. 3 upon 1 you have and x equals to 3. So when we calculate this one, this coming 3. Let's check for this one. A divided by B within bracket this one divided by C. Okay. A equals to 2 you have. We suppose here A equals to 2 and divided by B. So B is minus 1 by 2. Within bracket we have to write divided by C. C also negative minus 3 by 4. We have to write negative within bracket. Now look what we will do. This one as it. You can write 2 upon 1. 2 को 2 upon 1 लिख सकते हैं. Multiply converted into divide sign converted into multiply. Reciprocal of this one. इसको minus 1 upon 2 है. ये आपका न्यूमरेटर है, ये डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर चले जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर नीचे आ जाएगा. So 2 upon minus 1 within bracket. And this one we will write as it. Okay. Now nothing being cancelled here, so multiply 2 into 2 4 and plus into minus minus 1 into 1 1 divided by minus 3 upon 4. Okay. Then we can write this one as it 4 upon minus 1 and sign change, multiply reciprocal 4 upon minus 3. Reciprocal लेंगे 4 ऊपर चले जाएगा and minus 3 नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, nothing being cancelled here, so 4 into 4, 4 4 just 16. Minus into minus plus, no need to show plus sign, 3 1 just 3. So you are getting 16 upon 3. When you calculate this one, you are getting 16 upon 3. In first case, in this case, you are getting here 3. So we can say 3 naught equals to 16 upon 3. That's why here also we will make not equal sign. Both sides are not coming equal, so we can say associative law of division. Associative law of division not applicable for rational numbers. Okay. So if you will write this whole in short, so how you will write? For addition you will write like that: A plus within bracket B plus C equals to A plus B within bracket plus C. This one applicable, so equal sign here. A minus B minus C. B minus C within bracket. Here A minus B within bracket minus C. This one not applicable, so not equal sign here. Next one, A into within bracket B into C equal to A into B within bracket into C. Okay, this one applicable, so equal sign here. And last one, divide A divided B divided by C within bracket equals to A divided by B within bracket divided by C. This one not coming equal, so not coming equal. Where you are getting equal sign for addition and multiplication, associative law of rational number applicable, but for subtraction and division, this one not applicable. Okay, revise at home? Any doubt you have, so you can ask question, you can message inbox.